Hi guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. This is the wire bra that I made. If you guys follow a lot of Rihanna videos, she wear a lot of these, but most people from over in the foreign countries, they have what you call Carnival, and they wear a lot of these wire bras from Carnival. But this is what the wire looks like when you shape in your bra. And I actually got this from, what did I get this from? Michael's. And this is an 18 gauge wire, but I want to shout out to a lot of the girls in the videos because these bras is hard to make. I thought it was going to be easy. It was a lot harder than what I thought. And when I put it on, I thought I'd be able to go live for you guys and wear it and show you guys. And I wasn't able to go live because I noticed that all the videos that I've seen on YouTube is normally just one thing that goes up around the neck. Is never one that goes up around the neck and then the back. But I think for me, I need one that goes up around the neck and around the back. So the problem that I'm having when you got much bigger boobs, it's harder to cover your boobs. So when you have these wires which is just up around the neck, so a woman with smaller boobs, if you see, you can have it sitting on there and then it'll cover that. But when you got bigger boobs, you need something to also attach around the back part of it. But what I wanted to do with that outfit I got from Lovely Wholesalers. If you guys follow a lot of the sweaters and stuff that they're wearing a lot of the hoodies, and the hoodies is cut out like this. But I thought, like, if you guys replace, like, they'll wear a lot of the crop tops and bralettes with it. But I thought a lot of the Carnival bralettes or stuff like that will look cute inside of there if you put one of these in there, something like that. But these are so hard to make. So this was my first attempt. And when I put it on, I'm like, is something missing from this one. Like I couldn't get it to, I didn't feel secure. I didn't feel secure to go on camera because I kept feeling like my boob was literally going to pop out. So I did the video and then I noticed that my boobs was peeking out, so I didn't launch the video for you guys. But I just want you guys to check out other people's video where they do the wire Carnival bras, and they are so cute, guys. But it was hard for me to shape and make, and oh my gosh, and put the felt on there. And doing the stone part was easy, but just getting it to shape to your breast, guys, and being able to cover your breasts, that was the challenging part. So what I found that worked a lot better for me, guys, is to take one of your bras that fit your breasts good, and to get the shape of your breast, guys, this is what I found that worked best for me: to take a bra and lay the wire, shape the wire on top of the bra. So when you shaping your wire, the wire is going to be longer than that. So you shape your wire on top, and you're going to need wire cutters, and then you shape or whatever. And then you're going to need another part that's going to cover your nipple part. So it's quite some things you got to do. But guys, if you want to do them wire bras with the felt and the stones and stuff, check out other people's video because they did an awesome job. But this is my version of it. But I was not secure enough to go live and show you guys what mine's turned out looking like, because I felt like it was peeking out and revealing a lot. But this is what it looks like. And thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye bye.